in the gold train bonus. I've seen some huge numbers in the gold train bonus before. Alright. Over 400 already. Ooh. 491. Go to the train. Let's go to the train. Woo, woo. All right, come on, go to the train. Show us the special sunset. Huge numbers. Come on. Big numbers. Let's go. Let's go. 3,000. 2,000. Minor for 500. 300. 300. Can you come back one more time? All right. We did it! What a surprise, right when I dropped my bet from 2250